Hello! Today's book is Listen to My Trumpet. Ba-bam! Ooh. Wow! Trumpets. Okay, here's Elephant and Piggie. Gerald! Ooh, she's got a music stool. Sit! Big elephant on a little chair. Okay, do not move. Wah! I have a trumpet. Wow. Trumpets are fun. Ooh. Do you want to listen to my trumpet? Oh, yes, please. She's happy. Okay. Here I go. Oh my. Oh my. Elephant fell over. Wait, that was not right. Not right at all. Looking inside. Try again. Freep, breep, freep. Oh, okay. That is better. Better? Trink! Clack! Grilp! Oh, it hurts elephant's ears. Drump! Yikes. Oh, that is not music. He's thinking. Greek! Piggie sounds like my Aunt Molly with a cold. Ooh. Sprack, drack, twack, squack, prack, clack. Wow, Piggie's happy. And now the big finish, the finale. Whoa. Blark, glark, crack, blab, zap, blab, blonk, grark, slark, smark. Oh my. Whew. Finished? Finished. So, what do you think of my trumpet? Heart, heart, heart. Your trumpet is? Yes. Go on. Your trumpet is loud. And? Your trumpet is shiny. Bing, bing. Yeah, 반짝, 반짝, shiny. And? You, hold your trumpet very well. 잘 잡았어. Yeah. And? Sweating. I'm waiting. What to say? Piggie, you are my friend. And I am your friend. So I will tell you the truth. 사실 사실 말할게. Your trumpet is loud and shiny, and you hold it well, but that was not music. Sorry. Gerald, you think I am trying to make music? No. I am trying to speak elephant. Ooh, 코끼리 언어. Elephant talk. I want to sound like you. Oh. Oh. But Piggie, your accent, 사투리, needs work. Your accent needs work. You sound a little different. I will teach you. Yay! Try more ick in your grick. Grick. Oh.